Hello children, today we are learning ABCD alphabets and colors name. Blue color, yellow color, red color, pink color, green color, orange color and brown color. Very good. Let's painting. A for alligator. Very good. A for alligator. A for alligator. B for bed. Very good. B for bed. C for camel. C for camel. Nice. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. Marvelous. E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. Excellent. F for fruit. F for fruit. Nice. G for girl. G for girl. G for girl. Marvelous. H for hammer. H for hammer.
Wow!
Outstanding. I for iron. I for iron. Very good. I for iron. J for jelly. J for jelly. Marvelous. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for ladybug. L for ladybug. Very good. M for monkey. M for monkey. Outstanding. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. O for octopus. O for octopus. Outstanding. P for penguin. P for penguin. Nice. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. Good job. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. Very good. S for sun. T for tree. T for tree. Excellent. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Awesome. V for van. V for van. Good. W for window. W for window. Nice. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Nice. Y for yacht. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Outstanding. Z for zoo.